Yeah, you. Have you ever opened your wallet and it felt like a ghost town? No money, just air. Yeah, same here. But what if I told you
$10,000?
you can save $10,000 even if you're broke right now? Sounds crazy? Nah, it's actually super simple. First thing, your money is playing hide and seek with you. Pizza, games, random shopping, poof, gone. So here's your mission. Track every dollar you spend, even that tiny candy. Yep, I'm watching you. Because once you see where your money goes, you become the boss of it. Now comes the ouch part. Stop wasting money. Do you really need that extra coffee every day? Or 5 subscriptions you don't even watch? That's like feeding your money to a black hole. Instead, try this. If you don't really need it, don't buy it. Boom, money saved. Now, here's a secret move. Before you spend anything, save a little first. Yep, pay yourself first. Think of it like feeding your piggy bank before anyone else. You first, always. Now, let's level up, make a little extra money. Relax, you don't need a fancy job. Use your phone, your skills, your time. Even a little extra cash is like giving your money superpowers. More power equals faster saving. Now, listen carefully. This one is big. The 30-day rule. You want to buy something? Wait. Yep, just wait 30 days. After that, if you still want it, okay, fine. But most of the time you'll be like, why did I even want this? And guess what? You just saved money again. Now, let's make it even easier. Set your savings to automatic. Money goes into your savings, like magic. No thinking, no stress. Now, warning, stay away from bad debt. Credit cards can trick you. Buy now, pay later sounds fun, until later shows up like a boss fight. The rule is simple. If you can't afford it, don't buy it. Now, let's set a goal. Say it with me. I will save $10,000. Not someday, but step by step, little by little, easy. Because saving money isn't about being rich. It's about being smart. Small choices, every day, turn into big results. Imagine this, you saving money, slowly. And one day, boom, $10,000 sitting there waiting for you. Feels awesome, right? So don't wait, start today. Even $1 is enough to begin, because every dollar counts. And trust me, your future self is going to say, yo, you did amazing.